Hey, if you are still looking for products to sell every day, today I recommend you 5 winning products on TikTok. Number 1. Screen Cleaner Spray. This product belongs to the new product in the market, has a broad market space, and its function is very good. The selling price of this product is $13. The cost price is $3, and the profit margin is $10. If you're looking for $10 plus, this new product might make you $1 million. Number 2. Plush Car Cushion. This product is new in the market, has a huge market space, and it happens to be the product of this season. The product sells for $28, costs $20, and has a profit margin of $8. If you've been looking for seasonal products to sell lately, this might be a good option. Number 3. Blood Bath Mat. This liner is new on the market. It absorbs water fast and is fun, and the profit is great. The product sells for $23, costs $4, and has a profit margin of $19. If you're looking for something under $15, this is a great option. Number 4. A Wrinkle Removal Patch. New products in this market have a large number of female groups with high spending power, are highly functional, and have a large profit margin. The selling price of this product is $54. The cost price is $7, and the profit margin is $46. If you're looking for a women's market product, this might be your new $1 million product. Number 5. Indoor Odor Humidifier. Not only does this product improve the mood of your home, it also makes fun smoke rings. The product sells for $30, costs $13, and has a profit margin of $17. If you're looking for something under $10, this fun product will be a great option. If you want to know more about the product, follow me or go to Pipiads.com.